Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to star a video in WhatsApp chat on your Android device. Starring a video allows you to easily access and find it later. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Next, tap on the chat where the video is located. Step 3. Now, scroll through the chat and select the video you want to star. Step 4. Finale. Tap the star icon located at the top of the screen. This will mark the video as starred. And there you have it. You've successfully starred a video in your WhatsApp chat. It's that simple. Starring videos in WhatsApp chats can help you quickly find and access them whenever you need. Remember to follow these steps whenever you want to star a video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.